Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to contact Amazon customer care. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to contact Amazon customer care using the Amazon web app. The first thing you need to do is to open the Amazon web app at amazon.com and log in using your account credentials. If it's your first time in Amazon, then you need to follow through the sign-up process to create a new account. Now, once you're signed in to this homepage, scroll down to the bottom of the homepage, which we're going to do in here. And you're going to find 4 categories, including Get to Know Us, Make Money with Us, Amazon Payment Product, and Let Us Help You. Now, switch to the Let Us Help You category. You're going to find further options beneath. Your account, your orders, shipping rates and policies, Amazon Prime, returns and replacements, managing content and devices, recalls and product safety alerts, registering gift lists, and of course you have help. Now go ahead and click on help. And this will take you to the Amazon help page, which we have in here. Now here you can search for help topics, all right, but to contact customer care directly, this is the step that you need to take. So over here, we have these categories. At the top corner, you have a delivery, order or return, Prime, Kindle Fire, just a couple of topics. Go ahead and click on something else. And it's going to take you over here to this page. So pick what you need help with. Here are further options or further topics that you can explore. But if you see that what you're looking for is not here, is not among these topics, and you just want to contact them directly, go ahead and click on I need more help. And that's going to open up this new tab that says, looks like you already have a chat in progress, but if you do not have a chat in progress, you can just click on start new chart and let them know what you need. So here in type something like, click on that in the communication bar or the message box and let them know exactly what you want. Go ahead and explain the issue in detail. And after doing that, go ahead and click on this send icon and it's going to be sent. So you can say, okay. And once you click on send, okay. So tell us what you need in your own words. I'll take it from here in the send message. So tell them what you need and click on the send message and they'll definitely respond to you directly. So that's pretty much it. This is how you can contact them directly. Now you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.